Hello everyone, welcome to Sanmargaha classes. 12th question of lesson Sir C.V. Raman. Okay, this carries 2 marks. Answer the following questions in 2 to 3 sentences each. 12th question is who is C.V. Raman and what is he famous for? ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಓಕೆನಾ? So we'll see the answer. C.V. Raman was a great scientist. ಅದ್ಭುತ ವಿಜ್ಞಾನಿ ಆಗಿದ್ದರು. He was famous for discovering the Raman effect. ಬೆಳಕಿನ ವಕ್ರೀಭವನ ಕ್ರಿಯೆ ಇದನ್ನ ರಾಮನ್ ಇಫೆಕ್ಟ್ ಅಂತ ಕರೀತಾರೆ ಮಕ್ಕಳು. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ರಾಮನ್ ಇಫೆಕ್ಟ್ ಈಸ್ ನಥಿಂಗ್ ಬಟ್ ದ ಪಾತ್ a change of wavelength exhibited by some of the radiations scattered in a medium that is called as Raman effect. Okay, so the effect is scientific to the modules which cause it and so can be used in spectrographic analysis. So ಈ ಬೆಳಕಿನ ವಕ್ರೀಭವನ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ ಮಕ್ಕಳೇ. ಓಕೆನಾ, so how it changes its path in the medium, so that is called as Raman effect. He is famous for discovering the Raman effect. Okay, thank you.